Hi, welcome back to my channel, Tapping with Kelly. My name is Kelly and I am an EFT Master Practitioner. It has been a hot minute since I have posted. A lot's changed in my life and some unexpected things, which I'm going to do videos around. And I also published my first fantasy novel, the first in a series, Kill Karma. If you love magic and portals and other worlds and a lot of action and adventure and mystery, check it out. I used tapping to help me with the plot and publishing and getting it published, and which I'll also do some videos on that and getting rid of limiting beliefs. So there's a lot to come. I want to start posting more videos, hopefully once a week. I would love to do more, but that's what I'm aiming for. So in today's video, I had a viewer ask about anxiety in regards to the future. So I really thought it would be great if I put it in tapping format. So what I'm going to try to help you do today is turn a feeling of powerlessness, is somewhat what anxiety is, right? Is where we don't have the faith, and we're kind of in this doubt, we're worried things won't work. So the power, we don't feel fully in control, right? I'm going to help you take back your power today. And I just want to give a disclaimer. The script that I wrote up for this is generic because I can't possibly tailor it to all of your specific needs. So if you would like to schedule a one-on-one session with me, I would love to hear from you. So contact me. My information is down below. So I want you to do sleight of hand for me. And I want you to go like this. Even though I'm incredibly anxious and worried about the future, I choose to forgive myself for stressing out my body and for giving into the stress and worry. Even though the future scares me and fills me with anxiety, because I don't have any certainties or confirmation that things will work out for me. I choose to accept how I feel in this moment. Even though I don't know what the future has in store for me, and that absolutely terrifies me, I choose to deeply and completely love and honor how I feel in the moment. Okay, eyebrow. All this anxiety over the future. Side of eye. I'm a ball of stress and my heart feels tight because I don't know what the future will bring. Under the eye. I'm scared and fearful that things can get worse. Under the nose. I feel like the future is out of my control, and that makes me feel powerless. Chin, all this anxiety over the future and over things I feel that I can't control. Okay, collarbone. I'm scared of what will happen to me in the future. Now I want you to go to the underarm. It would be like where a bra strap is for the ladies. What if everything in my life falls apart? What if my dreams go unfulfilled? Okay, I want you to go to your wrists and just put them like this. Okay. I'm scared that nothing will work out for me in the future. And now we're going to do the 9 gamut. It's really powerful. So I want you to go to your thumb where the skin meets the nail, and right here. And I want you to take 2 fingers and I want you to tap there. And we're going to do that on each of the fingers, okay? So on the thumb, all this anxiety over the future. And I want you to go to the index finger. All this stress and worry, it's eating me up inside. I want you to go to the middle finger. All this stress and worry and anxiety. Okay, we're going to go to the ring finger. I can't stop worrying about the future. And go to the little finger. all this stress and worry about the future. And now I want you to go in between the ring finger and the pinky, and you're going to find it's tender on some people, it's tender on me, and I want you to tap there, okay? And I want you to continue tapping, and I'm going to take you through a series of commands. I want you to close your eyes, okay? I want you to take in a deep breath for me and count of 5. 5 breaths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to hold. I want you to count to 5 in your head while you're holding your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, while you're doing this, you're still tapping. I want you to exhale and count in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want you to open your eyes and I want you to look at me. And then I want you to, without moving your head, you keep your head perfectly still, okay? You're only gonna be moving your eyes. With your eyes, look down on the floor, hard right. And now I want you to move them hard left. Now look back at me. And I want you to picture a huge clock, huge floating clock in front of you, okay? And I want you, with your eyes only, look at the 12 o'clock position. So look up. And then I want you to look at the 1 o'clock position. Keep tapping on the gamut. Look at the 2 o'clock position. Roll your eyes to the 3 o'clock position and say all this anxiety. Go to the 4 o'clock position. Look at the 5 o'clock position. Look at the 6 o'clock position. Say all this anxiety and worry about the future. I want you to go to 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. All this stress and worry and anxiety about the future. I want you to say that. 9 o'clock. We were at 9. Go to 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. I want you to strain your eyes at 11. It's going to feel uncomfortable. I want you to strain your eyes there. Now move to the 12 o'clock position. Go back to 11 o'clock, 10. Go back to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Roll your eyes to the 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Now look back at me. I want you to hum happy birthday. Now count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hum again. Okay, now go to the top of the head. All this stress and anxiety. I'm worried things won't work out for me in the future, or things will get worse in my life. Okay, we're going to go to the eyebrow. I'm going to do both sides this time. What if my world is turned upside down? Side of the eye. What if it's not? What if things finally work out for me? Under the eye. But what if they don't? But what if they do? Under the nose. I know that my thoughts and feelings are what create my reality and shape my future. It's all about perception. Chin. So what if I start changing my thoughts and feelings now, in the present, to match up to what I want to create in my future? What if I did it right now? What's stopping me? I'm stopping me. Nobody else but me. Collarbone. Like it's that easy. Under the arm. But it is that easy. I change my feelings and thoughts, and reality will reshift and restructure to match up to what I think and feel. Wrists. What if I just pivot my thoughts from anxiety and worry to serenity and all things positive? What if? Top of the head. I'm worried about a future that I don't think I have any control over. When in actuality, I do. I am in control. Nobody else but me. And it starts with my thoughts and feelings. Eyebrow. I want to take control of my thoughts and feelings and start imagining a future I could be happy in. Side of the eye. I choose to be grateful that I am in control of my thoughts and feelings. Nobody else but me. So I choose to feel empowered and excited that I can reshape my present under the eye and manifest a bright future, all with the power of my thoughts and feelings under the nose. That is so exciting to have that much power. And today I'm going to start having faith and trust in myself that everything works out beautifully for me. Chin. Because that's all it takes, is changing my thoughts and feelings. So I choose to be grateful for today and grateful for my mind and for taking back my power. Collarbone. I choose to have faith and a belief that my future is amazing, that it works out how I want it to, or even better, and that it is bright and a perfect reflection and manifestation of my thoughts and feelings. Under the arm. I choose to release this anxiety and worry about the future. And I choose to take back my power in the process. Wrists. I choose to feel at peace with the future. And I realize I have the power to change my present and consequently my future, all with changing my thoughts and feelings. So top of the head, I release this stress about the future and this worry, and I choose to imagine it exactly how I want it. And that starts with feeling at peace and feeling calm and excited. Okay, I want you to press down and take in a deep breath for me. 5 breaths. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope you start changing your thoughts and feelings, whatever you're worried about, whatever the specific topic is. You might want to plug that into tapping and tap on that specifically, and then start feeling it working out. And always say, or even better than I could have imagined. So I hope that helped. And also, I would love to start making videos based on what you want. So if there's something that I can help you with, please put it in the comments below, and I'll see if I can make a video for it. So yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And I will see you very soon. Bye.